Now the next approach is psychodynamic approach. This is highly popular approach to study personality proposed by Sigmund Freud. He used free association, a method in which a person is asked to openly share all thoughts, feelings, and ideas that come to her or his mind. Dream analysis and analysis of errors to understand the internal functioning of the mind. Freud's theory considers the sources and consequences of emotional conflicts and the way people deal with these. EYSENCK'S theory. H.J. EYSENCK proposed that personality could be reduced into two broad dimensions. These are based on biological and genetival factors. Each dimension subsumes a number of specific traits. Previously, EYSENCK proposed neuroticism versus emotional stability and extroversion versus introversion. But later, he proposed psychoticism versus sociability also. Now, neuroticism versus emotional stability, the most important aspect of this is that it will measure the degree to which people have control over their feelings. Neuroticism. At one extreme, people are anxious, moody, touchy, restless, quickly lose their control, and the other extreme, that is having the emotional stability, calm, even tempered, reliable, remain under control. The next feature are extraversion versus introversion. In this, the degree to which people are social is measured. Extraversion, at one extreme, people are socially outgoing, active, gregarious, impulsive, thrill seeking. At the other extreme, socially withdrawn, passive, quiet, cautious, and reserved. Psychoticism versus sociability. A person who scores high on psychoticism dimension tends to be hostile, egocentric, and antisocial.